Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Germs.
And today we're taking a look at the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT Halo Edition, or Project Green.
All right, today we're looking at possibly the rarest graphics card ever produced. You can only win it in giveaways, and there's only
117
made.
Worldwide, because, you know, Spartan 117 is Master Chief's designation. So they were like, hey, let's only make those because there's no shortage or anything. So let's keep everything even more rare.
That's probably a production nightmare. Yeah, we just need 117 of them specifically.
Oh, because they would have to like reset everything. And I never even thought about that. That's a very good point. Well, thank you for taking the time to do that, AMD and Microsoft, because this thing's pretty sweet. And also we want to thank Razer, who we actually got this from. They sent it out to us. But we're going to start with an unboxing. So we're going to get that going. Whoa!
I got a knife.
Oh!
What kind of knife is this? What the hell?
It's for cutting like boards and stuff. There you go.
It is officially open.
I'm waiting for you, dude. You got the
You're
green
gonna let me
shirt
do
on.
it?
You're like, don't
It's
open it
upside
upside down. Please don't open it upside down.
Why'd they put it in here like that?
Comes with it in a nice embossed case. Says Halo Infinite, so you know that it might play Halo Infinite.
The possibilities are infinitely.
That's cool.
Wow.
And it's got little magnets, so that's how it stays closed and everything. Look at that, baby. She's a beaut, Clark.
Who's Clark?
It's a Christmas Vacation reference.
It's a beaut, Clark. It's a beaut.
We're in that season, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh.
Instructions, should we read them?
Yes, every bit. Comes with a QR code. Oh, actually, what was behind that? There was something behind it. Comes with a Radeon R keycap.
Ooh.
So hopefully you have black keys on your keyboard, or the black accents it. But it does look like it has RGB pass-through, because it does look like a translucent R. So if you want to be a baller, you get that.
So do you put that where the R key goes, or do you just...
Oh, that's a good question. I don't know. Or if you're a pirate, you could put it in every spot. All right. Cool. So, do you want to do the honors? I don't. I'm scared to touch it.
Right? There's no fingerprints on it yet.
Don't touch the shiny bits.
It's all shiny.
No, it's not.
I guess you're right.
It's a matte. That's a matte
I like
finish.
how the fans don't have anything in the middle.
That
That's
is very cool. And the actual fins for the heatsink are black, so it's not like shiny in there and everything. It goes with the whole Master Chief theme. We know that it's optimized for Halo because the Xbox Series S and X both run on Radeon graphics. So
Plus it's got green and gold on it.
yes,
Yes.
so Halo. Oh, that's a chunky card, dude.
Goodness.
Look at that. Okay, we're gonna move this. Whoop! Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Damn. It's a beastie boy.
Like,
you
I
can't
have a
say that.
3070 Ti, and it doesn't even compare with the weight of this thing. So hopefully, you have a graphics card support,
I was gonna say, you need that mount.
which I do have that, luckily. It's got the 117 on the back there with Halo Infinite branding, as well as this piece right here is supposed to simulate the back of Chief's helmet. And that is actually the slot where the AI slot's in. So that actually glows blue when you get it plugged in.
Cool.
It's got, that heatsink is massive, dude.
Big boy.
So on the output, you have an HDMI 2.1, two display ports, two full-size display ports, and then a mini,
USB-C?
what is that? All right, so USB-C, I don't know if that's for graphics or if it's for firmware updates. Not 100%. I'll make a note on the video. While I'm saying this, it'll come up like right here and say, hey, this is the truth. That's a chunky thing. It feels solid though.
Yep.
Like, I'll be honest, like this feels a lot more robust than my card.
Definitely sturdy. It's like a brick.
Just like Master Chief's face.
It's got brick face. Two 8-pin powers input.
Yes, it's got the, right there, in a good spot. 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory. Should be, sorry, there's a drive-by happening behind my barn. Sorry, behind our offices.
Corporate office. It looks like it'll take up about 2.5 expansion slots.
Also, this thing will give you all the flops you're looking for in 2021, probably into 2022. So if you need flops, this is your card right here.
It's like a floppy drive.
So I guess really all the specs are the same as a standard 6900 XT. Really, it's more about the cosmetics of the card and, you know, and that sweet Halo branding. If you don't like Halo, you probably don't like this card.
Obviously.
But that's fine. You're wrong.
Stop watching our video.
Yeah, I mean, why are you watching this one? Go watch one of the other ones, all of them actually, in succession, and like all of them and comment and subscribe. I don't know. I
It's
think
just fucking gorgeous.
the craftsmanship on this is like really good. Like it's a very cool looking card.
It is.
It's kind of a bummer that I just built my new system with the 3070 Ti.
Yeah.
Because I would take this and Germs would be still stuck with his 3070 Ti and I'd be over here with my 6900 XT Halo Edition just rocking out. But yeah.
You could do a pretty cool custom build with this if you could get some of that green and the,
Definitely.
the shiny gold to
Absolutely.
or
Well,
glossy gold.
yeah. Well, because like that's supposed to be his visor.
Yeah.
And then like this is the back of his skull.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
You know, because it's got the little AI slot. So yeah, let's get it plugged in, see how she looks.
That concludes our overview of this extremely rare card.
It's pretty much thing's a beast. It's one of the top 2 cards on the market, which is saying a lot because there are a lot of powerful cards out there right now. So thanks again, Razer, for sending that to us. Also, we are giving away a 3-month code for Xbox Game Pass for PC. If you want a shot at that, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Let us know which games you want to play on it, and we will choose a winner, say, first of the year. And we'll contact you and get you gaming. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
You're not gonna wave? There you go. Bye. Oh.